and welcome back to my channel. My name is Candy. If you're new here, I want to welcome you and I hope everyone is having a super blessed day. Now in today's video, a few people had brought up some great ideas to me. When I did the Chinese fried chicken, someone had asked if it can be done in the air fryer. Sure, it can be done in the air fryer. Then a few more people had asked if we can marinate the chicken in most of the ingredients we use for the broth, marinate it and place it in the fridge overnight, then parboil it the next day and stuff. So sure, all those things can be done. And I was thinking about it and I decided we are going to do an experiment today. We are going to marinate the chicken overnight, then we'll be using the air fryer to fry the chicken. And I hope you guys will enjoy this recipe. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I want you to consider doing so. And please guys, don't forget to like, share, and comment. Now let's jump right into it. So I usually get a lot of questions in the comments about what kind of sauces I use in my Chinese recipe. And today I decided to show you guys exactly what I use. But before we do that, here I have 3 leg quarters that I'll be using for the recipe. I already washed and prepped. And I have here some Chinese cooking wine. It's called Shaoxing wine. That's what I usually use. Whenever I say Chinese cooking wine, this is what I use. And I have here some oyster sauce. I'll be doing some lo mein to go with my fried chicken. So I have the lo mein version of oyster sauce here that I'll be using. And I have some sweet soy sauce. Usually when I say dark soy sauce, this is what I mean. It's the sweet version. And I have the salted version here. This is the normal soy sauce. And I have here some ginger paste, some Chinese 5-spice, grated garlic, and some white pepper. Now let's combine all the ingredients. We are going to be making a marinade for our chicken. All of the correct measurements and the ingredients will be listed in the description box. We will make this marinade, coat our chicken really well, and then we'll place it in the refrigerator overnight. Once the chicken is well marinated, we'll place it in a Ziploc bag and sit it in the fridge overnight. Then tomorrow I'll continue with the next step. Fast forward to the next day, I did take this out of the fridge an hour prior so that it could come up to room temperature. Now we'll go ahead and parboil the chicken. Here in a pot of boiling water, I will now add my 3 leg quarters and we will cook them for about 20 minutes. Once the chicken is done parboiling, we'll go ahead and pat it because we want it super dry before we put it in the air fryer. We want a nice crispy skin, so any wetness the chicken might have, you need to pat that dry. And this is a time you want to go ahead and preheat your air fryer. Set your air fryer on 380 degrees and let it preheat for about 5 minutes before we add the chicken to the air fryer. That's very, very important. Now we'll go ahead and spray our air fryer so that the chicken doesn't stick. Then we'll spray our chicken to get that nice crispy skin. Our air fryer is set to 380 degrees for 15 minutes. After about 15 minutes, this is how our chicken is looking, nice and golden brown. What we'll do here is flip the chicken and let it continue cooking for an extra 5 minutes. That will be a total of 15 minutes. The chicken should be perfectly cooked and we can get ready to serve. Okay guys, so this is the finished product of the Chinese fried chicken in the air fryer. Both of the chicken that I made, the one in the real oil and the air fryer, they're both good. But I must be completely honest, I think this version here, the taste is more infused in the chicken. I think it's because we did it overnight. So, the chicken get a lot of time to marinate and stuff. I don't think it has anything to do with the air fryer, but I think it's because it was marinating a longer time. So today I will be enjoying this fried chicken with some Chinese lo mein, and I do hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget guys, hit the subscribe button for me. I will be leaving all the measurements and ingredients down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good day and enjoy.